What's going on, guys? So, a couple things need to be said. I'm going to go over trade of the day. I am going to go over uh, a lot of different things, actually. Before I get into it, we're back streaming 10:30 to noon, 2 p.m. to, I don't know, 4:30, 5 o'clock. If you want to support the channel, use coupon code COVETRADER. It will automatically give you the biggest discounts at pretty much all the prop firms. Take Profit Trader, Apex, uh, My Funded Futures, and pretty much all the other ones as well. But yeah, so first of all, before I get into everything, we had a great day. All my Take Profit Trader accounts are moving on up. I got my Tradeify accounts. They're all up today. I was up in two or three of my funded future accounts. They already zeroed out my P&L. I don't know why they do that so early. And then Apex. So I'm back copy trading. If you're wondering, I'm using NinjaTrader. I have a video on my channel on how to copy trade using NinjaTrader. I am now going back to copy trading 5 funded accounts at a time. I also have Bullnox. I was also up in my I have 2 Bullnox funded accounts. One was up $300. One was up 135. And then I had another Bullnox eval. It was up 380, and that's all I traded in Bullnox today. Yeah, I mean, everything was great except for this one account. Plus, we passed two more accounts. We passed this account and passed this one. So that was good. This account was down $2,200. So being that it only ended down $1,100 was a pretty good day, I guess. You got to look at the bright side, guys. I'm going to go over the trades. I mean, geez, the trades were good today. This was an easier day to read, I want to say. Price action was great. I caught this right rip off the bottom here early today. And then we called this short on the stream. I mean, if you were on the stream, you saw it. We called it. We came down. We consolidated. I said this looked bad. I actually shorted. We basically broke this flag to the downside. And then I was talking how we were getting the retest. And we got the retest of the trend. We stayed under the 34, and I was like, man, this looks fucking bad. This looks real bad. And sure enough, we just dropped through. I mean, and we just sold off. That was called it on the stream. I did not hold it that long. I know some of you guys held longer shorts. Congrats. And then yeah, I mean, we were talking about the previous day high bounce. We did not get a big bounce. We definitely played that. And then we went long here into the day. That was a great setup right here. Basically, you had the V recovery, come back, dip, and then shoot right out of it. That was, I like setups like that. This where you the drop, the comeback, consolidate, and up is probably one of my favorite setups. This was also a great setup early on. So basically we had this, you ramped, we dipped, the next green candle is up, we make a lower high, and then we sell below it. That is a short, people. That was another great setup. There was quite a few good setups today that should have made trading relatively easy. You just had to be picky. My issue with my account that you looked at was down. I traded pre-market is what happened. And I lost money pre-market. And I tell myself every day not to trade pre-market. And somehow I find myself trading pre-market. I will not trade pre-market anymore. I am completely done with after hours unless I'm streaming after hours. Other than that, I will not trade after hours and I will not trade pre-market. But I will be trading CPI news tomorrow. I am going to stream tomorrow probably 8:15 to 8:45. We're going to trade news. And then I'll come back on at 10:30. But you guys in the chat want to see me trade the CPI news, so we will let it rip. Hopefully, we could pass a couple evals on the news. I find that's what it's the best for to pass. It's a quick pass if you can get it right. Um, I also went over my trade setups. A couple people had questions about my trading view. Here's all the scripts I use there and I use here. This is pretty much what I got. And yeah, I really, really like my setups. On the stream, I also took QQQ puts. If you trade options and stocks, we took Q puts on this big dip, and boy, did we cash in. We cashed in like $600. I ended up down on the day. I think I lost about $700, but half of that was made back on the Q puts, which was awesome. Completely out of them. It was one of the rare day trades I have, but it was just looking weak around here, and we took Q puts. So that was a plus. That was a nice bank for the day. And I think we smashed for like $3,000 yesterday. So we are up. I think we're up 2,500, 2,000 maybe on the week. So we're doing good things there. And that was pretty much it. Somebody also asked me about Apex right now. They're not running their normal 80% off, and they've raised the lifetime fee. So I am just saying, take profit trader is probably the way to go right now. I want to see, the goal is to save you money. So right now, I think take profit trader, use coupon code Cove Trader, and they got the 40% off, no activation fee, and if you get a payout, they send your eval money back. That seems to be the best deal because Apex 50K right now is like $87. So for an extra $15, you have no activation fee, and you have and you get your eval money back if you get a payout. So it just kind of makes sense to go that route instead of Apex currently. But I'm going to be on the lookout for Apex running a deal. Also, my funded futures price goes up in the new year. So if you're looking, maybe time to get accounts. And that's pretty much it. I'm also trading my live account. I think I ended relatively flat today in my live account. So that is what it is. And that's it. I guess tonight I'm probably not going to get much movement because CPI is at 8:30 in the morning. And that's pretty much it. So I will see you tomorrow on the stream.